Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's session. Yesterday we completed the sets chapter. Today we are going to some more problems on the set theory. Today we are going to some extra sums other than your textbook. Part of board is repairing. Let us see, the question is here, if A is equal to set of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, B is equal to set of 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Verify n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Is it appear last? Yes. That is the question, children. Look at it. I am reading the question here. A equal to set of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and B the set of 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Verify this statement. He has to verify it. Means is it both same or not? Is it LHS is equal to RHS? What is what given? N of A and B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Is it true or false? You have to verify. First of all, write down what is A. A is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N of A. What is this N of A? From this A equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N of A. N and A means number of elements in A. How many number of elements in A? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So N of A here, cardinal number of A is 5. Next, B equal to given. What is B? 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9 implies N of B equal to cardinal of B equal to how many elements in B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also have 5 elements. Some more questions are there. Here N of A union B is there. Here N of A intersection B is there. Means from this A and B, you have to find A union B and A intersection B. A union B means you know that union of two sets. A 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Union B means 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total A union B 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many elements are there in N of A union B? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 elements are there. Why? Because repeated you only to count 2 times. If it is repeated as many times, we have to write it only 1 time in the set. అది ఎలిమెంట్ ఎన్నిసార్లు అయినా both sets లో వచ్చినా సరే 2 sets లో వచ్చిన 2 times రాయకూడదు. We have to write it 1 time. So now 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is N of A union B 8. This is A union B. And then go to N of A intersection B. Next one. A intersection. What is intersection? Students, what is intersection? Intersection means set of common elements. A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection B is equal to 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. A intersection B. Collect the common elements in both A and B. That is 6, 7, 3, 4 not there, 5 not there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8, 9 is not there. 6 comma 7. N of A intersection B is equal to 2. N of A intersection B 2. These are the values we got. The terms corresponding terms in the given statement, we found it. They are N of A 5 elements, N of B another 5 elements, A union B it has 8 elements, A intersection B it has 2 elements. Now write the given verifying statement. What statement you have to verify? మనం ఏ statement verify చేయాలండి? N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B అనే statement verify చేయాలి. Collect the LHS. LHS, what is LHS? N of A union B is equal to how many elements N of A union B? 8 elements. Write RHS. What is RHS? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A how many elements? Cardinal of A 5 elements. N of B 5 elements minus N of A intersection B. How many elements? Intersection 2 elements. 5 plus 5 10 minus 2 that is 8 elements. N of A this statement you got it 8 elements. N of A plus N of A cardinal of A plus cardinal of B minus cardinal of A intersection B is equal to 8 elements. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. This is the verifying statement. Statement was correct. That is solution, students. Note down. These questions not available in your textbook. Some assignment questions they are here. Questions are not in textbook but belongs to your syllabus only. Extended part of that. CC pattern kada. They may ask in any model. Content is ఉంటుంది మనకి ఆ మోడల్లో ఏమైనా అడగచ్చు. అందుకే టుడే I will discuss some problems related to sets. Okay నండి? Right. Next question. A is equal to set of x such that x belongs to prime numbers and x less than 10, b equal to x such that x is integer and x less than 10. Find a minus b. Find a minus b comma b minus a. Find a minus b comma b minus. That is the question given. Right. What is said here? What was given before problem? Questions sets given in set builder form. Questions sets are given in set builder form. Here sets are given in set builder form here, sorry. Before one roster form. Here one set builder form. First problem ni చేసిన దాంట్లో roster form ఇచ్చే డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇచ్చారు వాడే. మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. కానీ ఇక్కడ సెట్స్ roster form లో ఇచ్చాడు. కాదు సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్ లో ఇచ్చాడు. ఏంటిది? సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్. A is equal to set of x such that x belongs to prime number and x less than 10. That is A equal to x such that x is a prime number. What are the prime numbers below 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. Next B. Set of B equal to x such that x is integer and x less than 10. X such that x is integer, x less than 10. 10 below integers. 10 below integers. Integers are positive integers. Integers. 10 below integers. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and so on. Integers balance होगा. ఇంటీజర్ అన్నాడు అంతే మరి వాడు పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ నెగటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ మెన్షన్ చేయరా అదే పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అన్నాడు అనుకోండి ఇట్ విల్ క్లోజ్ at 1 బట్ ఈ గివెన్ దట్ స్టేటెడ్ దట్ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఇవి కూడా ఇంటీజర్సే కదా మరి నెగటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఏదైనా అవ్వచ్చు పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అంటే పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ ఈజ్ ఇంటీజర్ నెగటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ ఆల్సో ఇంటీజర్ ఇంటీజర్ అన్నాడు కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ అన్నాం హూస్ గర్ల్ స్టూడెంట్ బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్ యూ కెన్ కాల్ ఎనీ వన్ స్టూడెంట్ అంతే కదా కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ అంటే గో అండ్ కాల్ వన్ స్టూడెంట్ అంటే ఏ స్టూడెంట్ 6th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంటా 7th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంటా 8th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంటా 9th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంటా 10th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంటా గర్ల్ స్టూడెంటా బాయ్ స్టూడెంటా నో క్లారిఫికేషన్ జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఏ డైనమో అలాగే ఇక్కడ x అంటే x ఇస్ ఏ ఇంటీజర్ దట్ మే పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజరా చెప్పరా నెగటివ్ ఇంటీజరా చెప్పరా x less than 10 బిలో ఇంటీజర్స్ మరి నెగటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ కూడా 10 బిలో ఇంటీజర్స్ యూజ్ చేసి టైప్ చేస్తే ఇలా వస్తుంది 9 to and so on. ఇది క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే మనకి స్టేట్ a minus b and b minus a ప్లస్ ఉందా a minus b ఇలా do one thing. I will adjust the board. This substitution 1 minute is equal to one place of solution. A is equal to x such that x belongs to prime number x less than 10. Of A is equal to prime number less than 10. 2, 3, 5, 7. B is equal to set of x such that x is an integer. X is an integer. Integers. Any numbers are integers. Less than x less than 10. 10 below integers. Therefore 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and so on. Now we want to write a minus b. What is a? 2, 3, 5, 7. Minus b. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and so on. So what will happen? What are the elements? 2 cancel, 3 cancel, 5 cancel, 7 cancel. You got empty set. Here a minus b got it empty set. Similarly, find b minus a. B minus a is equal to set of b means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and so on. Minus a 2, 3, 5, 7. Rest of elements 2, 3, 5, 7. What are the elements? 9, 8, 6, 4, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus infinite set. So that is b minus a. What happened? Here a minus b not equal to b. Ane gaadu a minus b empty set వచ్చింది. Here b minus a some elements with infinite set వచ్చింది. So we state that a minus b is not equal to b minus a. కాబట్టి a minus b and b minus a is always disjoint sets. Difference of two sets in different orders is disjoint. Difference of two sets in different orders. A minus b find out చేసాం, b minus a find out చేసాం. ఎక్కడైనా డిఫరెన్స్ గుడ్. మామూలుగా డిఫరెన్స్ కూడా డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కమ్యూటేటివ్ కదా. సెట్ ఆఫ్ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్, సెట్ ఆఫ్ హోల్ నెంబర్స్, ఇంటీజర్స్ లో డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కమ్యూటేటివ్. మైనస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కమ్యూటేటివ్ బికాజ్ 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 10 is minus 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. Difference is not commutative. Understood? Difference is not commutative. That's why difference of sets is always disjoint sets. Difference of two sets is always disjoint sets. ఒకసారి అడుగుతాడు స్టేట్ అండ్ ప్రూవ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ టూ సెట్స్ is disjoint. ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేసేసి డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ టూ సెట్స్ a minus b and b minus a are disjoint sets అని రాయాలి. నోట్. Note a minus b and b minus a are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. A minus b and b minus a are disjoint sets. No doubt. Okay, next question we are going. Next question. Third question. A is equal to set of x such that x such that x square is equal to 16 and 2x plus 3 equal to minus 5 is not empty set. Why? That is question. X such that x is a condition. ఏంటంట x square equal to 916 and 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 5. ఇప్పుడు అది ఒక సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్ ఇచ్చాడు మీకు. ఏమని ఇచ్చాడు? A equal to set of x such that x square equal to 16 and 2x plus 3 equal to minus 5 అని ఇచ్చారు. See, ఇది empty set కాదు అని చెప్తున్నాడు. Empty set అంటే set which has no elements. You have to prove there is no elements, but you have to prove it is not empty. Means it has at least one element. దాంట్లో కనీసం ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ అన్నా ఉంది అని చూపించారు. అంటే ఈ రెండు కండిషన్స్ ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తూ కనీసం ఒకటైనా నెంబర్ ఉందా చూసుకోవాలి. ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ అన్నమాట. ఫస్ట్ ఏం ఇచ్చాడు? x² ఈక్వల్ టు 16 ఇచ్చాడు. x² ఈక్వల్ 16 అంటే x వాల్యూ how much అండి? స్క్వేర్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయండి, రూట్ అవుతుంది. రూట్ 16 x is equal to plus or minus 4. x is equal to 4 or minus 4. x is equal to 4 or minus 4. రెండోది 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 5. 2x plus 3 equal to minus 5. Substitute x value here. 2 into 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. 8 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to 4, not satisfied. Next x. Take x is equal to minus 4. Is x is equal to 4. This one x is equal to minus 4. 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 5. 2 into minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. Minus 8 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 equal to minus 5. Now satisfied. So they write that we have A is equal to minus set of minus 4. So E is not empty set. Is not empty set. అది empty set కాదు. A not equal to set of minus 4. Is not empty set. That is. These are the most important questions. CC pattern model కాబట్టి CC అంటే not should expect all questions from your textbook. Out of textbook also they may ask it. Only 40% you will get from textbook. 60% we don't know. Here you not get from exactly from the textbook. One thing she should, but it's not exactly from textbook. That is sure. As it is textbook with మాత్రం 60% రాదు. No doubt. ఈ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే ఇది అనేది ఈ సెట్ అనేది నాట్ ఎంప్టీ అన్నట్టు. మన కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే x వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 వచ్చింది, -4 సాటిస్ఫై అయింది. కాబట్టి ఈ సెట్ లో -4 అనే ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ ఎంప్టీ సెట్. Fourth question. 1, 2, 3. Fourth question. F of n is denoted by f of n equal to set of factors of n. Factors of n. If a is equal to f of 18 and b is equal to f of 16, then find a minus b. డెఫినిషన్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. అంటే సెట్స్ మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. ఆ బిల్డర్ సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ గివింగ్. సెట్స్ కి మనం ఏం ఇస్తున్నారంటే దాని సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ గివింగ్. ఫ్రమ్ ద సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మ్ టు యు మేక్ ద బిల్డప్ ఎ సెట్ అండ్ రిలేటెడ్ గా యు హావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అది a ఇంటూ b a ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ b a మైనస్ b అనేది డిటర్మైన్ చేయాలి. దాని బిఫోర్ ఏమన్నాడు, రోస్టర్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఇవ్వకుండా సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఇస్తున్నాడు. ఆ సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మ్స్ నుంచి రోస్టర్ ఫార్మ్ డిఫైన్ చేసి నెక్స్ట్ యూనియన్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ డిఫరెన్స్ గోయించు. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని క్లారిటీ ఇచ్చాడు, డిఫరెంట్ గా డిఫైన్ చేశాడు. ఫస్ట్ ఏమన్నాడు, దాని ఒక ఫంక్షన్ డెఫినేషన్ చెప్పాడు. ఎఫ్ ఎట్ ఎన్, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ అని చదువుతారు, ఎఫ్ ఎట్ ఎన్ అని చదువుతారు. సమ్ బుక్స్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఆర్ ఎఫ్ ఎట్ ఎన్, ఇట్ మీన్స్ factors of n. That means factors of n. For example, f of 4 అన్నాడు. What are the factors of 4? Factors of means divisors of 4. 1, 2, 4. On what natural numbers 4 is divisible? 1, 2, 4. On what natural number is n is divisible? 1 and so on. n. So first of all, write the definition of the function. F at n or f of n is equal to set of factors of n. Set of factors of n. Now we have to find a is equal to f of 18. What is f of 18? Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Is that ready? Factors of 18. 18 divisible by 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18. Are there any other factors? No. Next, b is equal to f at 16, means factors of 16. What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. We have to find a minus b. What is a? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Minus b. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. That is equal. Minus means you don't know. Cancel the common elements. Delete the common elements. Write the rest of elements in a. 1, yes, common, cancel. 2. There is both sides, cancel. 3, not there in B. 6, not there in B. 9, not there in B. 18, not there in B. A minus B is 3, 6, 9, 18. That is A minus B. B minus A means 4, 8, 16. So here also you got it, A minus B not equal to B minus A. So both are disjoint. B minus A will disjoint. B minus A means reverse elements of B. 4, 8, 16. Rest of elements. Here also A minus B not equal to B minus A. That's why I told you, stated the theorem. The disjoints of two sets is always the difference of two sets. The difference of two sets is always disjoint sets. Difference of two sets is always disjoint sets. Okay, students. Completed? Right. Next. This one. Check whether the set A is equal to set of x such that x belongs to n check whether the set A equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is even prime number is finite or infinite? Is finite or infinite? Is it finite or infinite? A equal to set of x such that x belongs to n and x is a even prime number. Set Miller form was given. X such that x belongs to n means natural numbers and x is even prime number. Even prime number. Therefore, A equal to set of what are the even prime numbers? There exists one and only one even prime number entire number system. That is 2. This is single concept. Is it a finite or infinite? Is finite. We have one and only one element. And now A is equal to 1. So finite set. Writing not understanding. So A is finite set. This is section 2 lecture. Like this, so many out of textbook questions are there. Books are available with you, any material you do it. Otherwise, every one of you should practice well and for the textbook. First 2 chapters are completed. One is real numbers, second one is sets. Again, real number has 2 parts, number system and logarithms. So thoroughly practice well. Do well. Most of the daily 3-4 members are sending only homeworks. Boys till now, no boy sent to any work. But how many boys are seeing, I don't know. So every one of you do practice well. Thank you. Thank you children. Thank you all.